You are now watching Doorbell News.
Fresno, California.
Leave me alone, man!
These two girls are seen banging on people's doors at 3:30 in the morning. I don't know what their problem is, but nobody wants to hear no one banging on their door at 3:30 in the morning. Seems like they've been at the club all night, turning up or something. Whatever the case is, they need to get lost. I don't know what's up with them. First they're banging on doors, now they're walking by like everything is normal. Noticing a lot of women are taking this mail theft thing professionally. Oakland, California. A man is robbed while walking down the street. Oakland, California. Can't even leave bikes on the porch anymore. Make sure you leave that bike in the backyard or in the garage, because these creepers love bikes. He decides to take the bike with the little kiddie seat on the back of it. What a shame. He's gonna ruin some kid's childhood with this one. Can't even have a kiddie seat on your bike anymore. Some child is gonna be traumatized. He can't even go for a ride anymore because of this guy. Dallas, Texas. The trash inspector is here. She's just going around inspecting people's trash, taking trash cans if it doesn't pass her inspection. I don't know what's up with this lady. Dallas, Texas. A minivan is stolen out of a man's driveway. He tries to chase it down, but the carjacker peels off on him. Never leave your van running, even if it's an old cheap hoopty. Gotta appreciate everything you got. Just because it's an old van doesn't mean somebody won't want it. Never take your property for granted. Dallas, Texas. Another unsuspected female porch pirate comes by and takes everything. This happened in a gated community, so she's obviously a neighbor. Yeah, can't even trust your neighbors anymore. Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. This guy's walking around with a broom and dustpan and a garbage can, but he's really a porch pirate. Yeah, he's trying to make it seem like he's cleaning up the neighborhood, but he's really cleaning up on your packages. He takes one, then he takes another, and he puts it in the trash can. Yeah, you wouldn't even think he was up to nothing. Looks like he's just a cleanup guy. Yeah, he's cleaning up all right. Fresno, California. Another female porch pirate, just taking this porch pirate thing professionally. You wouldn't even suspect a lady that looks like that to be out stealing packages at this time of night. This lady's out at 4 a.m. stealing packages, and you wouldn't even suspect her. Pompano Beach, Florida. Look at this tweak. Looks like he hit rock bottom. His shirt is all dusty and dirty, and he needs to get lost. He wiggles some doorknobs, and when he realizes he can't get inside someone's house, he decides to just lay down and take a nap right in front of their door. He gives it another shot, but he's unsuccessful. And he takes his dusty ass on. Get lost. Pompano Beach, Florida. These women go for it. Looks like they're neighbors in your building. Be on the lookout for them. Pompano Beach, Florida. You don't know the pin code. This isn't your house. You're walking around barefoot. Looks like he has a getaway car in the driveway, but I don't understand why he's barefoot if he has a car. Must be a stolen car, because I don't understand how he's just walking around with no shoes on. This is America, bro. We wear shoes and socks. Don't let me catch you outside my place. You'd wish you had some shoes on. This guy must think he's Fred Flintstone or something, walking around barefoot. Fresno, California. These thieves will take anything. Looks like they're out here still at stop signs and everything. Pompano Beach, Florida. This guy's really looking pretty tweaky right now.
Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Somebody's coming.
Yeah, I'm coming. Get lost.
Is this the right house? Yeah. 27, 25.
Fresno, California. There she goes again. The unsuspecting porch pirate lady. Still another package at around 12:30 at night. You wouldn't even know it. But yeah, she's a porch pirate. A professional porch pirate. Doorbell News Crime Watch. Coming to a neighborhood near you.
Make sure you subscribe today.
If a thief breaks in, the first thing they'll notice is your security camera. Hide your camera with Cam Masker. Cam Masker works with Ring, Wise, Blink Mini, and Nest Cam. Order yours today at cammasker.com.